Okay, let's begin with the instruction. So after reading the instruction, first and very important step is to activate the kit online. I think basically it's the code that you find in the card for your record. And then the next step is to use this swab and put it in your mouth, rotate it for 30-60 seconds, and then you put it to this vials and break it and then seal it. After that, you need to put it into this zipping bag, and after sealing everything tightly, make sure to put this into this post to send it away. And that's it. Have fun, everyone. Bye bye.